Giewitz art installation. I hate saying that. I had to say art installation for the Google. So this was literally the only other install was Robin and Byron's install that was harder than this one because that was a gallery wall. But what made this one so challenging is there was subtle differences in the frame dimensions. So, you know, you had, shit, I gotta get my ladder, hit that Lake Tahoe, it's all fucked up. Anyway, the frames were like subtle dimensions off, not a ton, maybe a 16th strong in variation, but the goal gap spacing was 1.5 inches, and we were from 1.7/16 to 1.5 inches strong. So 16th strong in dimension, and there were subtle variations in width and height. So super duper awesome friggin' job. So thankful these guys brought me in the mix. It's trippy too because the wife, she installed this crazy shit, dude, 2 times. And you know, it just got a little squirrely just because the pieces are off, man. And then the floor, so the ladder only went a certain height. So they didn't really start from the top. They started from the bottom, and it was down on the right about 1 inch. But it makes sense because the right side of that baseboard is sinking. So anyway, hire a pro. But I guess not just any pro, so super thankful. Anyway, I'm gonna go get my ladder and hit that Tahoe because it's got a big old smudge on it. I'm out.